So the subsequent exams will be undertaken at the school.
E kaunti ma Siaya skunde prabich gariyo e kar chung'od bura ma Alego Usonga ochako penj maduong' mar klas 12 mar KCSE. Japuonjre moro e kar chung'od burano to timo penj e osuptal ma Siaya Referral bang' konyore otieno ma piny orugo kawuono. Apisas mag arita kwe kod marito penj osingo ni chenro no biro dhi nyime kaka osechane kendo gina kicha mar geng'o midhiero.
We have a total of 52 examination centers, and all the center managers have been here present. You all witness they have picked the exams. All the centers have been given 2 security officers, and you saw them accompanying the center managers. We are hoping that given the transport that we have, that the center managers will be able to reach their centers at the right time. I mean, we have not anticipated any challenges, except that if these rains continue persisting, pounding, because yesterday night it pounded the whole night, but at least the roads are still passable. Maybe as we go along, things might change. We only have 1 case of a student who gave birth, who she is hospitalized. That is from 1 center.
Mtihani wa leo tumeanza wakati mwema kwa sababu tulipoamkia asubuhi tulienda kuchukua mtihani kutoka Siaya DCC's office. Tulifika shuleni kwa wakati unaofaa kwa sababu barabara mpaka hapa sio mbaya, ni lami. Sisi hatuja kuwa na shida lolote, na kama shule tumejiandaa kutosha kana kwamba wanafunzi wetu takriban 170 wote wako shuleni, wako ndani wanaendelea na mtihani.
E kaunti Malamu jorit penj ojiw ni obedaki